Welcome back to Tips for AI Trailblazers by Demystify. Today, we're going to focus on how to utilize Zapier as a way to streamline your new business sales through connecting a Google form to responding to a custom email and drafting your Gmail account. So to walk you through that today, what I'm going to show you is how to set up a Zap. So what we'll see here is my computer screen, and what we'll do is create this new Zap. So what we'll do here is first we'll create the new Zap, and we will start with a trigger, which will be Google Forms. So you'll need to complete and set up the Google form prior to building this app. So we have changed that. It'll be a new form response that will connect there. And then we'll click continue. You can see that my Google Forms account has already been connected to my Zapier account. So we'll move forward here and click continue. And the form that we're going to be utilizing is this form 2. I continue that, and then it'll test this, and you'll be able to see all of the forms fields on the left-hand side. So perfect. So we're going to continue with the selected record, and we're going to now integrate it into ChatGPT. So we have ChatGPT here. So we're going to start a conversation. All right, so we'll continue that. That is the correct account, and this is the action. So the user message, what we'll want to do, and I have this pulled up over here so this can go a little bit faster. We are an AI consulting firm called Demystify, and we just received a cold lead from one of our websites. So we'll copy and paste this in here. And what you'll see here is I'll go ahead and put client lead, and we'll do first name. We'll want their company name, industry. We will want also their interested services and additional notes. So what we'll do here is the first name, you'll do a parenthesis sign, and then we'll put in first name, close that parentheses. This provides context to ChatGPT to understand kind of what all of these data points are. We'll close that one up. We'll do industry. And then for our additional notes, I don't remember what I called that on the form specifically, but share a little bit more detail with us. Oh, so that got put in the wrong box. So we'll do that here. Okay, and then we're going to say, well, we will just say something really simple, like create a, or write a subject line and body pair. Okay, so that's how we have everything set up. Then you'll continue on down here. We'll want to utilize ChatGPT 4. You'll have to have your OpenAI API account set up and set up some additional API tokens or credits. It's not super expensive. You do want to put a memory key in. I'm going to just call this one DEM response. This will allow us to continue to keep those unique consistencies across all of these. We have some additional instructions. So if you have additional instructions, like here's a little bit more about the company, our services, things of that nature, we'll just copy and paste this in to there. We'll click continue. So we're going to go back because you can see here, this email is not as tailored as I'd like it to be. So I'm going to go back to the action part. I'm going to put the word context. I'm going to go back. See what is going on there. So we're just going to add some additional context for the chatbot so we can get a better response. So based on the form completion and the information below, provide a response that answers, that provides information. Service. Okay. We're going to test the step. Okay. So you can see here, it drafted this response. Dear Sarah, thank you for reaching out to Demystify. We're here thrilled. Which is great. Provided some suggestions. And here we go. So then what you will do is then you'll step it into your Gmail account. So we will go into our Gmail account. We will say create a draft. We will press continue. Continue. The subject line, we're just going to call this demystify. Up. Right, because they reached out to us already, so that's what it'll be called. The two will be coming from the respondent email, so you'll just put that in there. Oh, company email address, sorry. The company email address. And then we'll scroll down. You can add in the from name, things of that nature, who it's coming from. It obviously will be coming from my email account. We can say that it comes from Demystify, so we can put that in there. The body will come. So what we'll do here is you'll go back to the conversation here. We will provide, and what we'll do, see this reply. We'll put that reply in there. And that'll be the body. And then if you can choose your own custom signature if you have one, things of that nature, add attachments, all of that fun stuff. We'll click continue. Test step. Okay, we're going to publish this. And then when you go into my Outlook, here, just disregard all of my crazy amounts of emails. You can see here that it has, gives me another option for a subject line if I want to change it. And then I can go ahead and send this email.